Hey everyone, today we're going to do a 15-month update on one of our first LECA videos, this Monstera adansonii. We started this plant in May of 2021, about 15 months ago. And when we started, it only had about 6 to 8 leaves, and now we counted a little bit over 50 different leaves. As you can see, it's attached to the wall here. We haven't moved it. And I think we really honestly only change the water once. Every kind of week or so, we add in some tap water just to kind of fill up this reservoir. And once in a while, maybe every 2 months, I'll add in the A, B parts of nutrients so that the plant has some food. As you can see, there's a little bit of burning on some of the leaf tips, but for a plant that is probably out of pH range and out of nutrient range, that's pretty good. These are some of the oldest leaves on the plant. This shoot that's actually running up the wall there, that shoot is one of the additional shoots, and this shoot you can see here is one we wrapped consecutively around this moss pole, because there's actually a moss pole back there if you can see it. You can see the stems really circling around this and the aerial roots tapping into that moss pole, which is actually wicking down into this water and pulling water up into the moss pole to hydrate it. It's always a good habit to look to your newest growth, this point here and the point up at the top there, so that you can figure out the health of your plant. Don't worry too much if the lower leaves are burning or browning. As the adansonii grows, the Monstera leaves start to enlarge, which is a characteristic of Monstera as a genus as a whole. In comparison to this heartleaf variegata here that's in an aroid mix, this is growing much faster than an aroid or a soil mix, and it's much more low maintenance. If you come in here a little closer, you can start to see all of the algae that's in here, and the roots don't look super healthy, but they're still thriving and it's growing a very strong plant. So feel free to check out this video that we posted back in May. It's one of our most popular videos on the channel, and it's kind of kicked off everything that we've done with LECA. This is a passive LECA system that doesn't have any airstone in it. And as you can see, it's doing phenomenal without that airstone and without water changes. And if you want to make your own moss pole that we showed you before, we also have a video showing how to make a wicking moss pole like this one. Thanks you guys so much for watching this week's video. If you did enjoy the video and or learn something new, please click the like button down below. And if you want to come back every Saturday for another video about plants, click subscribe and we'll see you next Saturday. Thanks for watching.